Good boy. Is that delicious? Is that delicious? One more bite. Okay, you take the tomatoes out. That's fine. You just eat the bulk curry. The rice and the potatoes.
Rice and potato.
Yep. Mmm, yum, yum. Is that delicious? Oh, drink your wawa. Good boy. Good boy.
This is new.
Mmm, good job, sweetheart. You're gonna get 2 gummy bears after you eat because you're eating good. Yeah? You get 2 gummies, huh? Yep, because you're eating good, boy. Mmm, delicious. Is it delicious?
Pino.
Mmm, good job. Mmm. Mmm. Slowly. Finish that bite first in your mouth. First finish the bite in your mouth, then eat that. Small bite, that's too big of a bite, baby. Small bite. Make it smaller. There you go. Perfect. Good job. Good listener.
A big one.
Small one, small one. Good boy. Mmm. Delicious? Is that delicious? Mmm.
That is.
Yeah, take the onions out then. Okay, yeah, just put it there. That's fine.
Another one.
Another one? Mmm.
Potato.
You got like? Do you like potatoes?
Potato.
Yep, Noni likes potatoes too. They're
Yes.
delicious, huh?
And
Delicious. Yum, yum. Good boy. Yay! That's a big lily bite, huh?
the big one.
Yep.
Potato.
Potato. Good boy. Yum, yum, yum.
Lettuce.
Yay.
Lettuce.
Yay.
Lettuce. Lettuce.
That's a fork. It's delicious food. Good boy. Mmm. Yum, yum, yummy. Good job, Ian. Good boy. Mmm, we're almost done, huh? Are you almost done? Are you almost done? Good boy. Mmm. Is that delicious?
Lettuce.
Yeah?
Lettuce up.
Yep. Take out the onions, okay.
60 onions.
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You got 5 onions there?
5 and there.
Okay, you just eat the potatoes and the ball curry. Good job. We'll have to have Chona make you some more.
Making no more.
Yeah, we'll tell Chona to make you more. Yeah, she's so sweet. She made you nice curry.
Okay.
Say thank you, Chona. Thank you, Tata.
No.
What happened?
I go sleep.
Oh, the sun's gone to sleep? Does the sun go night-night?
Daddy, sleep.
Yeah?